In this segment, you will learn how to duplicate OEM seams using Fusor factory match seam sealers. Benefits of using Fusor seam sealers include fast cure, won't shrink or crack, easy application. With Fusor factory match seam sealers 123, 123EZ, 129 and 800EZ, duplicating the OEM original appearance is quite simple. First, we will discuss the proper procedure for applying seam sealer. Remove any original sealer material from the seam area and grind and sand as needed. Blow off the seam area with compressed air and clean the bare metal with Fusor plastic and rubber cleaner, stock number 703. Apply a primer to all bare metal areas. A 2-component epoxy primer is preferred. Allow the primer to fully cure per the paint manufacturer's recommendations. Then apply masking tape to the outside edges of the repair and allow for a 10mm seam. Scuff sand the primer with a 180 to 240 grit sandpaper or a regular scuff pad. Remove dust and debris from the seam area using compressed air. Now dispense a small amount of adhesive from the Fusor seam sealer cartridge until both parts dispense equally. Attach a mixing tip and securely lock in place with the retaining nut. Dispense a small amount of adhesive, which is about the width and length of the mixer. Dispense the adhesive until the colour is evenly mixed. Apply a 6 to 10mm bead of Fusor seam sealer along the repair area, making sure to completely fill the gaps. Carefully remove the tape while the adhesive is still wet. Allow the seam sealer to reach handling strength before sanding if necessary. Prime and refinish per the paint manufacturer's recommendations. To match smooth rounded seams found on truck bed floor seams, doors, hoods and deck lids, use Fusor 129. Tool Fusor 129 if desired using a squeegee or brush. Then remove the tape, or slightly pull the tape across the Fusor 129 on each side to give that perfect half-round look. Fusor 129 has a work time of 5 to 8 minutes, is sandable, and can be painted within 30 minutes. To match flat or brushed seams virtually anywhere a seam sealer is required, use Fusor 123EZ, especially when fast cycle time is needed. Tool Fusor 123EZ using a squeegee or brush, then remove the tape. Fusor 123EZ is heavy-bodied and will hold sharp tape edges without sagging. This product has a work time of 10 to 15 minutes and can be painted within 30 minutes. For small, fast jobs, use Fusor 123 with a work time of 3 to 5 minutes and paint time within 10 minutes. When an economical, quality, 1-component cork-grade sealer is required, use Fusor 800EZ. Fusor 800EZ can be dispensed easily using a standard corking gun. Fusor 800EZ can be easily tooled with a squeegee or brush to duplicate the factory OEM appearance. Fusor 800EZ is heavy-bodied and will hold sharp tape edges and brush strokes without sagging. This product has a work time of 30 minutes. Fully cures in 24 hours and can be painted within 10 minutes. This completes the factory match seam sealer application procedure using Fusor seam sealers. Also, review the self-leveling seam sealer video segment for detailed instructions on using Fusor 122EZ. For more information, visit www.lord.com or contact your local Fusor distributor.